Welcome back to our channel for another dose of eco-friendliness. Hopefully, you have made good use of our cleaning tips so far, because we have a lot more to share with you. As usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more useful eco-friendly cleaning tips. In this episode, we want to turn your attention to the dishwasher. Why the dishwasher, you may ask? After all, this machine is meant to take care of your dirty dishes and make them as good as new. Well, as it turns out, it can develop mold and mildew inside over time. This should come as no surprise, because there is a lot of moisture involved and mold thrives on that. That is why you have to clean the dishwasher from time to time, and what better way to do it than utilize eco-friendly solutions. Who is going to wash the dishwasher? This appliance, which you rely on to keep your dishes clean, gets quite grimy over time. According to experts, cleaning the appliance once every few months will not only take care of that, but also prolong the life of the machine. You don't necessarily need to use specialized cleaning products for the job. Instead, you can just follow this 3-step guide. 1. Cleaning the drain. Take out the bottom rack and see if there is any gunk near the drain area. Food debris often gets stuck in there. Remove any solid blockage by hand. This will greatly improve the efficiency of the dishwasher. 2. Use vinegar. Empty the dishwasher and place a cup of white vinegar in a suitable container on the top rack. Run a hot water cycle to wash away the grime and grease accumulated over time. This will also remove musty odors. 3. Add baking soda. Before you call it a day, sprinkle some baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Run a short cycle. This will remove any stains and brighten up the interior. By following these 3 simple steps, you can easily clean the dishwasher without any commercial products. How often do you clean your dishwasher? Share in the comments below. Also, tell us what cleaning tips you would like to see from our channel. Feel free to share this video with your friends.